Hi there, students. Elocution. Okay, elocution is the art of speaking in public. It's speaking clearly, it's speaking with a good accent that is considered standard and acceptable. Is with clear pronunciation, with good breathing and control in your voice. So when making videos, elocution is very important. Elocution is really the art of public speaking, emphasizing the way you use your voice, the delivery, and the style of speaking. Now, don't confuse elocution with eloquence, which talks about the content, the way, the words that you use. The elocution is the way that you speak, is to speak clearly. So elocution lessons give you a good style of speaking, a good way of speaking. You speak with a good accent. So Pygmalion, or My Fair Lady, is about elocution. It's getting somebody with a very strong Cockney accent to speak clearly in a nice RP accent. Ran and ran the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran. No, round and round the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran. And this is the idea of elocution. It's the art of speaking clearly. It's the art of speaking well. It's elocution, the practice of speaking well. He took courses in elocution and acting in London. Okay, this is to do with oratory or declamation. If you give a speech, then good elocution is absolutely essential. Elocution is the pronunciation, the grammar, the style, the tone. It's the effectiveness of the speech, and it's all part of the delivery of what you are saying. So if you want to practice your elocution, then go to Speaker's Corner in Hyde Park, in Hyde Park, and deliver a speech. The more you practice, the better your elocution will be. So elocution, the style of speaking, particularly in public, and elocution is a very important thing. However, for you as a student, firstly, you need to speak really, really good English before you concentrate a lot on elocutions. Elocution lessons are lessons in which somebody is taught to speak clearly. Yeah. When I was 8 years old, my mum sent me to elocution lessons so that I could speak rather like our friend Henry in a very good, clear voice. Yeah, so it's the production of your voice, speaking up so that they can hear you at the back, the delivery and the gestures that go with it as well, because the hands and the face and the attitude, the way you hold your body are all part of elocution. So it's the style or manner of speaking or reading in public. Yeah, if you're going to say to recite poetry, then elocution is definitely important. It's part of the diction, the pronunciation, the enunciation. There are lots of different things, the way you articulate, the delivery. Okay, so elocution. You need to use your lungs, you need to breathe and to use your voice to its full when you are elocuting. Okay, so elocution, formality. 6.5 in formality, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, from late Latin, elocutionem, from elocutio, so elocutio, to the mastery of rhetoric. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Elocution.